Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we will be making these crochet vine with these two small tiny leaves, and I will be teaching you how to make this crochet vine within few minutes. So to make this crochet vine, I'm using 4.5 mm crochet hook, and I'm using this green color which is really suitable for making leaves and vines and project like this. Okay, let's start with a magic circle or magic loop. If you don't know how to make it, I have uploaded already a complete workshop for absolute beginners. So by watching that workshop, you will be able to learn how to make crochet basics, and then you can make other patterns. Let's start with the video. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now insert the hook in a second chain, pull the thread. We have 2 loops on the crochet hook, yarn over from 2 loops, and that's how we made a single crochet here. Now yarn over the crochet hook, insert the hook in a second chain like this, pull the thread. Now we have 3 loops on the crochet hook, yarn over from 2 loops, and then yarn over from 2 loops. Okay, by doing this step we have made a double crochet. Now 2 more double crochets in the next 2 chains, 1 and 1 more double crochet. Okay, and this last chain we have here, insert the crochet hook, pull the thread from the chain and the loop on the hook already. Okay, by doing that we have made a slip stitch, and that's how we have our first leaf here. Now I'll be making 16 chains, 1, 2 and 16. See, again same step, single crochet in the second chain, 3 double crochets in next 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, like this. Okay, now slip stitch in the next chain, and we have 1 more leaf here. Again 16 chain and repeat the process, and you can make as long vine as you want. It's very simple, very easy, and it's very beginner friendly. Even if you just started crocheting and you know the basic stitches as like single crochet, double crochet and chain and slip stitch, you can make this one.